He's touched the seagull. Oh, that one's flown away. What about this one? Is he going to fly away? Should we get this one? Should we get this one, Mimu?
Yeah.
Yeah? Want to get it?
That's it. That's it.
Here we go. This could be it. This could be where you get to touch a seagull. Oh. Oh. This one? Oh, they flew away.
Yeah.
Seagulls. Say bye-bye, seagulls.
Come on.
Bye-bye. Jasmine, are we going to try and touch a seagull?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where are they? Over there?
Yeah.
Right. Let's sneak up on them really carefully, okay? Be quiet. You ready?
Yeah.
This could be it now. This could be where you get to touch the seagull.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? They look quite quiet, these ones. Half asleep, I reckon. They probably haven't even seen us.
Slime.
That one's quite brave.
Slime.
I reckon if we get up on the wall though, he's going to go. We're nearly touching the seagull. Touch. This is a bit dangerous. Nah, they're going to run away now. I can't climb over that either with carrying you. Get down. There's Mummy and Willie.
Head.
Jasmine, you going to touch the seagull?
Yeah.
You can touch him? He's alright. Did you touch him? No way. Well done, Jasmine. You happy now? You touched your hand. Clever girl. Touch. Well, prove me wrong. Prove me wrong.
Flap. So did you touch the seagull?
Yeah.
Did you touch his wing?
Touch.
Did he flap?
Where did you touch him?
Did you touch his feathers? Yeah? Let's make him the drinks. Did he run away? Did the seagull run away? Should we go and find some more later?